Hello and what's up guys. So today I want to continue with the aligner series, whereby you are creating the aligner series on how to create the aligner study. So I'm going to show you something that you have to fix. This is a newly created account, so I'm going to show you on how you're going to do this and be able to make sure that you get an email that is going to enable you to start getting jobs. So this is my account. As you can see, I have not started any jobs, but now I will go here to see if there is any job that has been posted. Then the first thing you have to do, have just to come here on the assessments. So make sure you take this training. I know our profile may be different, so for me I just completed this training the other day, and now I have to take this one also to make sure that I can be able to work on data annotation. So for you, if you have already done the application and you created the account and you did the application, just come here and make sure you take this general experience verification training. You'll find it sometimes on home here. It may be here. Kindly make sure you take the training seriously. So make sure you have taken the training. Now the next thing, after you have ensured that you have taken the training and you are done with the training, come here and then not achievement, but go to what you call the profile. So on your profile here, there's something we call availability, right? So here on availability, make sure you update also the availability. So for me here, I want to add another availability to show you on how you can add availability. So for me, I want to select every day. You see it has been selected every day. Time, I can say maybe from let me say from 9 a.m. Hours in 8 period. So that's maybe from 9 8 period. Then repeat, this is optional. Then now you can check the time period. You can say the start date to end date, but for me I'll leave it like that. Then I'll say create. Okay, adding the telephone day. So because I've scheduled the 9 hours, so maybe for me to be able to create another one, I can say for this I'll work for 6 hours. So let me try to create it. Again, it says adding 6 hours will exceed the 12-hour daily limit. 9 hours are already scheduled, so I have to create less than 9 hours. So I'll have to create for 3 hours maybe. Because if I had already created others for 9 hours, so I have this one for active America Chicago, that is for the 3 hours. So also make sure you had the availability. Availability is very key. Then after that, add rate. The rate at which you want to earn. So this I added it on since December 29th. I can add another rate. So I can say hourly, I want to earn maybe we say $40. Then create. So also you have to create the rate, availability. So you see they say hourly rate already exists, please delete it first before creating a new one. Okay, I can cancel this, I can come and delete this, and then now I can create another one. I say I want to earn maybe let me just use 29 per hour. Then I create. For everything to be okay, you just have to create your hourly rate so that you can be able to earn availability also, update your availability so that you can be able to get the working email. So another thing you can consider is make sure you read the rules and regulations of the aligner rules and regulation. Currently community rules, make sure you also go through the community rules here. You can go through these community rules, integrity, confidentiality, then community before you can apply. We also have guidance on Zara. If you want to know more about Zara, you can click here on Zara. Showcase your skill. Can learn more about how Zara is working here. Sign up everything on how Zara is working. So here you will see on how Zara is working. So it's all. Now the next video we are going now to open the go to jobs project here and showcase you on how many jobs are there. So stay tuned and let's meet on the next video. Thank you.